Hey, what's up? This is Todd Smith, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to talk about Behringer and how a couple days ago they dropped a new sound demo on their Pro-800 unit. This marks the official second sound demo since they showcased the final product a few weeks ago. While the first sound demo sounded great, sounded really thick for a mono synth, they didn't dive much into sound variation. The majority of the tones in the first sound demo treaded on what I would call a kind of organish sound, but the second video steps away from that and showcases other sound variations within the Pro-800. The second video shows off some really nice lush pads, and then steps into some really nice classic 70s style synth sounds. For the people chasing that classic 70s synth vibe, I really do think the Pro-800 is going to offer a massive amount of bang for the buck. Behringer seems to be ticking all the boxes with a nice price tag, 8 voices, the ability to save presets, and built-in CC control for your parameters. Again, offering massive sound through a mono output. The reactions are very positive, and the synth world seems to be very excited for the Pro-800, which should arrive in April. What did you think of the second sound demo? I would love to know your opinion on the Pro-800 so far, and as always, stay positive, stay creative, support each other, and peace.